Goodbyes. Yes, they are always difficult, especially when it's to a place that has given you a part of itself to carry home. This is the last bit of my journey, the final chapter in a series that gave me so much more than just travel. Today, we go for one last walk here in Arunachal Pradesh. Today we are leaving for Dirang, लेकिन उससे पहले we had one spot left. We had actually 2-3 spots left, but due to lack of time we couldn't do it. This is known as the Urgeling Monastery where we are right now. This is the birthplace of 6th Dalai Lama. So it's indeed special. Also his footprints are there, which I'll show you once I go there. This place is too, it's in a very secluded place and it's too beautiful. उर्गिलिंग मॉनेस्ट्री तवांग के शहर से बस 3 किलोमीटर दूर एक छोटा सा गोनपा विच वॉज एस्टैब्लिश्ड इन द 15th century. द 6th Dalai Lama was born here on 1st March 1683 और तब से ये बुद्धिस्ट मॉन्क्स और लमास के लिए एक सैक्रेड प्लेस है. So actually this is the place where the footprint is there, but unfortunately it's closed right now, so I cannot show you. ये बंद है. And there is no one throughout the whole area whom we could reach out to open this door for us. But this is the place where his footprints are there. So missed out unfortunately, but this place is too good. Like, subah subah आओगे तो you'll have something good. Like it's a refreshing moment for the day. And right now we will be heading out to Dirang from here. यहाँ और कुछ मिले ना मिले, मन को बहुत सारा शांति मिलेगा. डिटॉक्स, मन का डिटॉक्स. दिस प्लेस एब्सोल्युटली गिव्स यू दैट. आफ्टर स्पेंडिंग 2 nights and 3 days एट तवांग, उसको गुड बाय कहना वॉज अपसेटिंग इंडीड. पर एक नई जगह पहुँचने का एक्साइटमेंट और खुशी भी था. हमारे ट्रिप का सेकेंड लास्ट डेस्टिनेशन दिरांग, अ ब्यूटिफुल लिटिल टाउन tucked away in the mountains of Arunachal Pradesh. But उससे पहले I witnessed this magnificent thing, the Nuranang waterfalls. So we are right now at one of the most beautiful falls of Northeast, you can say. This is Nuranang waterfalls, also known as the Jung waterfalls. This comes on the way from Tawang to Dirang or Bomdila or Sela Pass, whatever you call. But Tawang से लौटते वक्त you will get this falls. Too beautiful. As I saw from the car itself, I have seen pictures before. But अभी जा रहे हैं नीचे. गाड़ी ऊपर खड़ा होता है. You have to walk down. So walking down. Not too many stairs, but कुछ है around 200 होंगे शायद. Already getting down for 5 minutes or more now, and that too with good speed. I get spellbound when I'm in the mountains especially. Yes, spellbound. That's what I became after seeing this 100-meter high waterfall right in front of my eyes. I came out of the falls. Rather, my parents dragged me out because I was not willing to get out from there. The force of the water is so much that my camera got completely wet. I had to wipe the lens 4 times or maybe more. Getting back to the car. The hide and seek game of the clouds and the sun is something you will love and hate here at the same time. The clouds started coming down again, and then something unexpected happened. It started snowing, and I couldn't believe my eyes. My first snowfall. We were crossing the Sela Pass, and it was snowing all around. मैंने कभी एक्सपेक्ट भी नहीं किया था कि अरुणाचल में I'll get to see snowfall, and that too in the month of April. It's truly said. Sometimes we are blessed with things we don't even ask for. After a journey of more than 5 hours, I guess we have finally reached Dirang, and the first spot that we are going to is the hot water spring. I don't know how good it will be or how useful it will be, but the first spot is this that we are going to. And काफ़ी नीचे है. I have already come a lot of stairs. I don't know if I'll be able to show you, but और भी नीचे जाना है.
पानी गरम अपन इधर ही रहते हैं क्या? आप इधर ही रहते हैं? लोकल ही है ना? जी लोकल ही है ना? लोकल है.
So I just went to the hot spring. It's not a spring, some hot water falling out of a pipe. I won't lie, I was a bit disappointed. But the main attraction lied ahead. So we are right now at Dirang Monastery, which is undoubtedly the best monastery of Northeast India. I'll be showing you. Too excited to get inside. बारिश हो रहा है यहाँ पे. वी वेंट टू द मार्केट बट मोस्ट ऑफ द शॉप्स वर क्लोज्ड एंड द रोड इज़ लाइक बहुत मडी होके रखा है. नॉट अ वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग इन दिरांग बट दिस रेन इज़ स्पॉइलिंग एवरीथिंग. तो अभी प्लान था कि मोनेस्ट्री जाएंगे, लेकिन बारिश की वजह से मे बी वी वोंट गो. दिरांग के होटल से चेकआउट करके हम निकल गए फॉर सांगती वैली. यहाँ से ऑलमोस्ट 10 किलोमीटर्स दूर. अ प्लेस विथ प्लेजेंट वेदर ऑल ईयर राउंड एंड ऑफ कोर्स ब्यूटिफुल सीनरी.
हम लोग का छोले छोले जैसे ही ऐसे बनाता है। पकाने के टाइम में छोला जैसे बन जाता है।
This valley is home to the Monpa tribe, and I got to know something really unique about their rituals post death. So initial plan था कि हम लोग सुबह फिर से एक बार मोनेस्ट्री जाएंगे, but since it's raining badly, it was raining badly, अभी थोड़ा कम है, तो we directly came to a valley named Sangti Valley. Sangti village यहाँ पे population ज़्यादा नहीं है, limited people are there, and it's around 10 kilometers from the main place of Dirang actually, and बहुत सुंदर है. You have seen that I talked to the locals. वहाँ पे जाके फिर से पिक्चर लेंगे उन लोगों के साथ. वो कुछ कौन से कुछ बना रहे हैं, थुक्पा या कुछ बोला उन लोगों ने, उन लोगों का डिश है. एंड यहाँ पे एक स्कूल भी है which I don't know how far it is. It is रामकृष्ण शारदा मिशन स्कूल. शायद यहीं पे होगा, आई एम नॉट वेरी श्योर. So this is a very beautiful place. And also another fact that I got to know, the river that you see here, the Arunachal people, they have a tradition of cutting down people when they die. यहाँ पे लोग को minimum 108 pieces में काट के फेंक दिया जाता है after they die. So this is one river where people are like thrown away, the pieces of the cut people are thrown away. फिर मिलेंगे. And having said goodbye to the warmest set of people that I met here, we headed towards another last monastery here in Dirang. One is another monastery in Dirang, जहाँ पे हम डायरेक्ट सांगती वैली से आ रहे हैं. This is a very less visited monastery actually. यहाँ पे लोग ज़्यादा आते नहीं हैं. I haven't seen a single person जितना टाइम मैं यहाँ पे थी. तो but this place is very nice actually. Like up the hills, monasteries up the hills ही होते हैं ज़्यादा, लेकिन यहाँ का environment बहुत सुंदर है. Very nice. You can come here. I like the place. As I already said before, लोग अरुणाचल आने के लिए 2 routes choose करते हैं. One through Bhalukpong and the other through Kalaktang. Since we came through the latter, हमने लौटने का रास्ता choose किया था Bhalukpong से, which was also our last destination of this trip. And on our way to Bhalukpong, we reached here first, Orchid Research Center, TP. They call Arunachal the Orchid State of India, and for good reason. It's home to more than 600 species of orchids, the highest diversity in the country. Very good morning. So when we reached Bhalukpong yesterday, it was already very late and it was raining very much, so I couldn't make a video. The weather got really comfortable. यहाँ पे उतना ठंड नहीं है, गर्म नहीं है, so the weather is very moderate and good. You don't even need a sweater in this weather. रात को शायद थोड़ा लगेगा, लेकिन in the daytime you don't need a sweater at all. Before we reached Bhalukpong, we went to an orchid research center in TP, which is just like 5 kilometers from this place, very close to this place. वहाँ पे I saw different colors of orchids, quite good. Glass houses were there, cactus glass houses were there. The research center is, it will show you how different kinds of orchids are grown, because Arunachal is mostly about orchids. The flowers here are very prevalent. You can say it's the main flower of Arunachal Pradesh, orchids. तो बहुत सुंदर है. We went there and then we directly came to the hotel. कल शाम को भी मार्केट में गए थे, लेकिन इतना बारिश हो रहा था, I couldn't film it. There are several shops here, बहुत सारे दुकान हैं. Gifting shops भी है. अगर you want to take something from Arunachal for your friends or family, you will find it here. The hotel that we are staying at, the name of this hotel is Wangasang Residency. It's in a very good location. The rooms are very good, which I'll show you. It's right above the market. यहाँ पे चल के market, मतलब पूरा ही market के अंदर है ये hotel. The rooms are very nice. I absolutely love the hotel and I'll definitely recommend everyone this hotel, because from vegetable shops to fruit shops to every kind of thing that you need, you will find it here. So this is the room, 2 bed actually, and that's me. Hi. And the best part is the balcony from here. यहाँ से सब कुछ दिखेगा, market area. I loved it actually. So done with Bhalukpong. अभी निकल रहे हैं for Guwahati and tomorrow we are heading back home. So I'll take you with me up to Guwahati and वहाँ पे it will be the end of the trip. So see you in the car. And just like that, we left the mountains of Arunachal behind and rolled into the plains of Assam. As we continued our journey towards Guwahati, the entire Arunachal trip kept replaying in my head. Every place offered us so much in terms of beauty, warmth, the people, that it felt like I was leaving a part of my soul here. We crossed a jungle stretch, multiple villages of Assam, tea gardens, and finally reached Guwahati, which brings us to an end of this Arunachal series. फिर मिलेंगे आप सबसे इंडिया के किसी और शहर से. Till then, goodbye.